I have all the parts of a Windsor chair laid out here on the floor, and I'm ready to dry assemble this Windsor. This is called a Rod-Back. I've got all the turnings are ash, and they're bamboo style, including the spindles that are also ash, all turned on the lathe. And then the seat is pine, which is typical of Windsor chairs. The first thing I'll do in the assembly is put together the undercarriage with all the legs, and I'll just start with one of the legs here, and that's the other leg. These things are splayed and have a rake as well, so we got a compound angle issue to deal with. So the other leg, let's see, front leg, let's see if this is the right one or not. Yeah, that's the right leg, but I'm going to put in the side stretcher here that belongs in this part. And let's see, is this going to be the right? No, this is not the right one. I'm gonna get, in fact, I just need to make sure I've got the right pieces here for this. So those two are right, and I want that. Now I had to have this backwards, and it's important to have the proper direction, because all these holes, sockets, are at special angles, so they'll only work one way. There we are. Now I've got the right parts, and these go over here. Now I've got the other front leg here, and it's side stretcher, and we've got this medial stretcher also to get into this construction here before we go too far with it. Now let me get this back leg started. Okay. Now I can start kind of inching this down. This is the part that I will glue first, the undercarriage. I'll start like this with the gluing, and this will all be hide glue, hot hide glue that I'll use. And I'm coming through, so I'm hitting the floor. So I need to just tap these things a little bit further. Are embedded now. That really makes a strong platform. So the way we put this together, and again I got to get the right orientation here. So this is oh yeah, no. That. And this. So the two stiles angle in like that. And it's best to just get these spindles all installed and pushed up as far as they'll go into the sockets in the crest rail. And this will be the most difficult gluing, because I'll have glue all over these joints, and then I got to work pretty fast to get everything installed properly. So we can get the Stiles started before I have to worry about the spindles. And now I can begin to ease down the spindles into the seat sockets. Those will have glue all over them. It'll be a messy process, but it's high glue, so it's easier to clean up that glue. These will all be trimmed off and wedged. And these little tenons here will also be wedged. I'm going to use ebony wedges for all this, so there'll be a little bit of a contrast. But that's it. It's together. It's a strong chair. This isn't going to be a lounge chair. This will be good for desks, perhaps. And also breakfast table, things like that. It's a little bit straight up in the back, but it's comfortable.